Hey everyone, this is Lance at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're taking a look at the Harris Sunliner 230. This is a standard Tri-Toon Harris. Has a 150 Mercury on the back. As you can see, it has the 12-foot bimini on top. Also the diamond white in color. Galvanized trailer underneath. Now let's take a look up top and see some of the features inside the boat. As some of you may know, Harris is one of the oldest boating companies in the U.S. right now. They're 61 years old. Something you may not know is what the warranty is on the Harris pontoon. Essentially, everything under my feet right now as I'm standing on the deck has a limited lifetime warranty. Everything under my feet, 10 years bow to stern, and that Mercury engine on the back, 3-year warranty and 3-year anti-corrosion. Now taking a look, you can see that this configuration obviously has the helm seat on the starboard side. However, on the port side it just has an opening so that for docking purposes, so you can walk out. It also has the recliners in the back, and it has the single rear-facing recliner, which has a massive amount of storage underneath and can be leaned back to make a very comfortable place when you pull up on an island to take a look and get some sun. Taking a look at the helm, you see the nice big analog gauges right in front of you, and then right to your left you have a 5-inch Simrad, chart plotter, GPS, fish finder, and everything else you'll need right next to the Fusion stereo system. Binnacle over to your right where you expect it would be, and a large bow area with seating for at least 4 or 5 more of your best friends. Again, this is the Harris. This is the pontoon that everybody is trying to mimic after. Stop by MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Take a look at one. Let's put one on the water, give it a try, and take one home today. I'm Lance Finucci. Have a great day.